Hi, hello, and welcome to the Ricky's Drawer channel. I'm Ricky, and today I'm gonna show you a quick trick to select your colors and also change them. So I did a quick sword here. I'm gonna add some random colors. A green sword. I got a video about setting up Adobe Photoshop to do it. You can check it out, it'll be around here. But you also can paint bucket. Make sure that anti-alias is turned off because it will help you to fill the area. Like this one, look, you don't want to do this. You don't want to fill the entire area. You just want to fill the inside. So you turn off anti-alias and there you go. The same applies to your lasso. It can help you a lot if you got anti-alias turned off. And another trick about replacing colors, if for example we can fill different colors around here, and let us say that we just wanna change the red one. So if you come with the magic wand, you can click it and it will highlight a selection for you. However, if you turn off contiguous and you click again, you can change the entire color. It's quick and easy. When you're doing pixel art, you are usually restraining your palette, so it will be really quick to make changes. So this is the video for today. See you in the next week.